The Mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle, the Disappearance of Planes and Ships. Introduction. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most famous unsolved mysteries of the 20th century, the Bermuda Triangle. This triangular section of the Atlantic Ocean, located between Florida, the Bermuda Islands and Puerto Rico, has been the source of countless tales of vanishing ships and aircraft. But what exactly is going on in this area? Is there any truth behind these bizarre disappearances, or are they merely the stuff of myths and legends? We'll explore the most well-known disappearances, review the most common theories about the Bermuda Triangle, and see why this region has become a source of mystery and intrigue for people around the world. The disappearance of Flight 19. Let's start with the most famous case, the disappearance of Flight 19 in December of 1945. This wasn't just any ordinary flight, it was a training mission involving 5 U.S. Navy bombers, known as TBF Avengers. These planes took off from a Florida airbase for a routine training session. However, after completing some of their training maneuvers, the pilots lost contact with air traffic control. The crew, led by Lieutenant Charles C. Taylor, reported that their compasses and other instruments were malfunctioning. They claimed to be lost and unable to navigate their way back to base. The pilots also spoke of an eerie darkness enveloping them, which added to the confusion. As they flew further into the triangle, their situation worsened. The pilots continued to radio distress signals, but no one could locate them. In a desperate attempt to find the missing squadron, the Navy launched a search plane. Tragically, this plane also vanished and it was never found. The incident led to a massive search and rescue operation, but nothing turned up. The Bermuda Triangle had claimed 5 planes and 14 men without leaving a single trace. Similar incidents and other mysterious disappearances. Over the decades, there have been numerous other cases of ships and planes disappearing in the Bermuda Triangle. One such case is the USS Cyclops, a U.S. Navy ship that vanished in 1918. The ship was carrying over 300 men, and it disappeared without a trace while traveling from the West Indies to Baltimore. Despite being one of the largest non-combat losses in U.S. Navy history, there were no distress signals sent out by the USS Cyclops, and it has never been found. Another mysterious disappearance occurred in 1948 when a British South American Airways flight, a passenger plane traveling from London to the Caribbean, went off radar over the Bermuda Triangle. No wreckage was found and no one could explain what happened. There are also countless accounts of smaller ships and planes going missing over the years. In 1963, a C-54 cargo plane carrying 39 people disappeared, and in 1978, a small private plane with 2 passengers disappeared without a trace. These are just a handful of the many incidents that have been linked to the Bermuda Triangle. Theories and hypotheses. For decades, scientists, researchers, and conspiracy theorists have tried to explain why so many vessels and aircraft have vanished in this region. While some offer rational, scientific explanations, others lean into more speculative and mystical ideas. Let's take a look at the most popular theories that attempt to explain the Bermuda Triangle mystery. Magnetic anomalies. One of the most widely accepted theories is that the Bermuda Triangle has unique magnetic anomalies. These anomalies might interfere with the navigational instruments of planes and ships, leading to miscalculations and confusion. Compasses, which are supposed to point north, may act erratically in this region, causing pilots and sailors to lose their sense of direction. This could explain why so many pilots and captains have reported problems with their navigation equipment before disappearing. In fact, one of the main theories suggests that the Bermuda Triangle lies within a region where the Earth's magnetic field is highly unpredictable, which causes massive disruptions in the instruments on board planes and ships. When navigation systems go haywire, the crews may become disoriented, leading them to take wrong turns and eventually disappear. Methane hydrates. A more recent theory posits that large amounts of methane gas may be trapped in the ocean floor beneath the Bermuda Triangle. This gas can be released suddenly, creating massive bubbles that drastically reduce the density of the water. This could cause ships to sink, and even affect the stability of aircraft flying above the surface. These methane bubbles may rise from the ocean floor, creating localized disruptions in the water and air, which might be responsible for sudden and unexplained disappearances. Ships could be swallowed whole by these methane-induced disturbances, and planes could be forced to crash if they fly into the unstable air pockets. Pirates and human error. Not all explanations are mystical or scientific. Some experts believe the disappearances may simply be the result of human error. Many of the ships and planes that vanished in the Bermuda Triangle were likely traveling through an area known for heavy traffic. The complexity of navigation, weather patterns, and mechanical failures could have contributed to the accidents. Pirates and criminal activity in the area during the past centuries have also been proposed as contributing factors. While piracy is much less common today, some suggest that the Bermuda Triangle's notoriety for shipwrecks in past centuries could have provided a tempting target for pirates. Extreme weather conditions. The Bermuda Triangle is notorious for violent and unpredictable weather patterns. Sudden storms, squalls, and hurricanes are common in this area, and they can appear with little warning. These storms can quickly transform calm waters into turbulent seas and may create dangerous flying conditions for aircraft. When combined with the region's heavy traffic, these unpredictable weather events could explain many of the disappearances. Some believe that the Bermuda Triangle's susceptibility to the rapid formation of storms is another reason for its mysterious reputation. These storms, combined with high winds and waves, could be responsible for sinking ships and bringing down planes. Alien encounters and unexplained phenomena. If scientific explanations don't satisfy you, there's always the possibility of something out of this world. Some of the more far-out theories suggest that the Bermuda Triangle is a hotspot for alien activity or even a portal to another dimension. There are reports from people who claim to have experienced strange phenomena in the area, such as seeing unidentified flying objects or feeling disoriented, as though they were transported to a different time or place. While there's no scientific evidence to back up these claims, many people are drawn to the idea that the Bermuda Triangle may be some kind of interdimensional gateway, where UFOs are responsible for abducting ships and planes, time warps and unseen forces. Some theories delve into the possibility of time warps or other unseen forces at play. These theories suggest that the Bermuda Triangle could be a zone where time behaves differently, with certain ships and planes getting trapped in some kind of time loop or being sent back in time. This explanation is highly speculative, but it remains popular among those who believe that there's more to this place than meets the eye. Conclusions? Is the Bermuda Triangle really dangerous? In the end, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of the most fascinating and mysterious areas on Earth. Whether it's a magnetic anomaly, methane bubbles, dangerous weather, or something more extraordinary, there is no definitive answer to why so many ships and planes have disappeared in this region. Some of the theories are based on science, while others stretch into the realm of the supernatural. What's certain is that the Bermuda Triangle continues to captivate the imagination of millions around the world, drawing people into its mystique. If you ever find yourself flying or sailing in the area, don't be surprised if you feel a sense of unease. After all, the Bermuda Triangle's dark reputation is not without reason. Ocho, what do you think? Do you believe in one of these theories, or do you have your own explanation for the strange happenings in the Bermuda Triangle? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more unsolved mysteries. Until next time, stay curious.